Welcome to Multiple Perspectives. This is your weekend view where we explore the latest trends and opportunities in real estate investment. I'm Ashley Shoemaker. Let's start with the latest from the Federal Reserve. Recently, the Fed has maintained its benchmark interest rate between 5.25% and 5.5%, the highest in 22 years. But there's a twist. They've signaled a shift, potentially cutting rates by 75 basis points in 2024. This adjustment is due to expectations of reduced inflation dropping to around 2.4% next year. Despite these potential cuts, the overall economic landscape remains dynamic, with the Fed keeping options open for further hikes if needed. As the Fed lowers interest rates, banks tend to lower savings account and CD rates. In this shifting economic landscape, investors could be left wondering where their cash can still earn a decent return. Despite the potential for lower Fed rates, EquityMultiple continues to provide an attractive investment option, the Alpine Note. These short-term cash management tools offer a compelling target annual percentage yield of up to 7.4% over a 9-month term. Notably, there are no investor fees involved. The Alpine Note is designed to pre-fund a portion of the investments on the EquityMultiple platform, indicating a strategic approach that benefits both investors and project sponsors. Plus, investors have the flexibility of early redemption or an automatic rollover at maturity. What makes this offering stand out is the first loss protection and the security of the investment. EquityMultiple has a strong track record with over $434 million closed in over $47 billion of commercial real estate. This experience and success rate add a layer of confidence for investors. In summary, while the Federal Reserve prepares to lower rates, EquityMultiple is holding its ground, offering a high-yield, short-term investment opportunity. This provides an interesting counterpoint in an environment where traditional savings accounts and CDs are yielding lower returns due to the Fed's rate cuts. Thanks for tuning in to The Weekend View. Join us next time for more discussions on the dynamic world of real estate investment. If you have any questions, as always, reach out to ir@equitymultiple.com. See you next weekend.
This communication is not to be construed as an offer to sell or the solicitation of an offer to buy any security or provide investment advice. Any such offer or solicitation can only be made by means of the delivery of a confidential private offering memorandum. To the extent that performance information is contained in this podcast, past performance is not necessarily indicative of the future results, and all figures are estimated and unaudited unless otherwise noted.